In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add more contrast and depth to your 3D model in Substance Painter using the Ambient Occlusion map. Let's get started. First, we need to bake the Ambient Occlusion map. Go to the Texture Set Settings tab and click Bake Mesh Maps. In the Bake window, make sure Ambient Occlusion is checked. Adjust the settings if needed, then hit Bake Selected Textures. Next, create a new fill layer. We're going to use this layer to enhance the shadows from the AO map. Select a new color and add black mask. Add fill effect to the mask. Click on the fill effect, then in the grayscale slot choose the Ambient Occlusion map from the baked textures. This will apply the AO information directly onto the layer. To soften the AO details, right-click the fill layer and choose Add Filter. Select Blur and adjust the blur strength until the shadows look smoother and more natural. You can switch to base color mode to see more details. Now let's add some contrast. Add a levels effect to the layer. Inside Levels, enable Invert. This flips the AO map so the darker areas become lighter and vice versa, helping us push the contrast on the model. Adjust the input and output levels until you get the exact amount of contrast you're looking for. And that's it. With just a fill layer, blur, and levels, you've enhanced your model's depth using the Ambient Occlusion map. This simple trick helps your textures pop and gives your model a more defined, professional look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Substance Painter tips.